Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and slight tutorial of this drone, E99 drone that I bought from TEMU. On here, as you can see, the box has been a little beat up from the shipping process. But I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Let's see here. This one was about $28 Canadian. So affordable. Let's see what we have inside this case. So we have the drone itself. This is the forward-facing portion of it. If you want to open up the arms here with the propellers, two in the front, two in the back. This particular drone has dual camera capability. So it would start with that. You also have the remote control here, so flip that up. There is, I think, an attachment here for your cell phone to hold that at the bottom here. The power on button, the controls here, and comes with the recharging, some manuals. So it's pretty lightweight, can't complain. I read on some other reviews that it might be a little unstable. It's not like the DJI drone where it's very stable and that is a higher quality. But again, you pay for what you get what you pay for. So I'm going to try and take this one out and see how well it works, how easy it is to control. Okay, so I got to reading the instructional manual a bit. So here you can see the camera. You can tilt it up and down. There is dual cameras. I think one under here that records. I'll show you how to switch it from front-facing camera to the bottom-facing one. The battery here goes through the back. It just slides in. I just recharged it. Make sure it's tight. And then there's the power button. So show you a bit of the remote here. So if you pull the back part down, you could store your cell phone there. So this on the left side, it will lift up. You could do auto lift, auto descend, but you could this one going forward on the left hand side will elevate it. This one will descend. This one will rotate the drone left and right, as so. This one will go forward, goes back, it will fly to the left and right. So I'll show you here. There's a way to connect it to the cell phone so that you can get the pictures and videos that you want. So what you need to do is you need to turn on that so that you can see the lights there. And then what you need to do is connect it to your phone's Wi-Fi. So I have here, I have it here as Wi-Fi 8K. That's the one that's being transmitted. So you just click on that, click on it again. Let's say auto connect. So it's connected now to that. It's saying no internet there. So if you turn, let me see here, I installed the app, the RCFPV app. So if you start that here, as you can see, so it's transmitting off of the drone. And if you press this part here, it's doing it from the bottom camera. So I'm gonna try to use this here, and I'm going to put it in the center. So I'll turn this on, and you're going to wait to see that, make sure that that does not flash anymore. So it connected there. So as you can see here, it's still working. It's still running off the Wi-Fi signal of the drone, and it's transmitting. So I'm going to go into the middle. Set it up here. Right now, if you want to press up, it'll go up. Okay, so I'm just using the controls here, going back. So here is the footage from the drone itself. As you can see, the quality is not the best. But again, like I mentioned, you do get what you paid for. That's from the forward-facing camera that's rotating it around. I'm going to be switching soon to the bottom-facing camera. Again, it's not as stable as I would like. And I believe that the distance that you can fly the drone out to is up to 100 feet from the remote control. So you have that distance to play around with. Here you can see I've switched to the bottom facing camera. That's my garden there. Again, the quality is a little shaky. It's obviously not that clear. So if you want something clearer, then I would highly recommend that you go with a different drone. But this one's a fun little toy to play around with. Okay, so I hope you found this unboxing and review and slight tutorial useful. Remember to click that subscribe button. It helps us to grow our channel. Remember to click that like button as well, and the bell notification. If you have any comments or questions, please put in the comment section. Until next time, take care.